Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. If you can see behind me, we're at Ross and we're gonna be hitting up a few stores today, so hopefully we can find some good stuff. And as always, let's go inside. What's up guys? So this is everything I found so far. Still have to look it up though, but found these golf shoes. They're like $32.99. I found two pairs of these soccer shoes. They're the turf ones, $30. And then I want to say these are tennis shoes, and I think these are $36.99. So I'm gonna look up everything. I'll show you guys a little screen recording from my phone, and let's see if I'm gonna take it or not. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna start looking up the first shoe. Normally when I look up something, I always grab the tag from inside the shoe and I just look up the style code. So let me type it in real quick. Put that into eBay. So it looks like it's going for around 60 to 70. But just because people are listing for that much doesn't mean it's selling for that much. So you have to check the sold comps. So let's see what they're selling for. So it looks like around 50, 60 bucks, maybe 70, but that's with free shipping and all that stuff. They are $32.99. You're still gonna pay tax, so I'm gonna leave this behind. If it was going for like maybe 85 or something, I would pick it up, but because it's going for like 60 plus free shipping, I'm gonna leave it behind. So now let's look up another shoe. So it looks like these are going for 80. Some are going for over 80, but for the most part, it's like 80 to 90. So let's see the sold on these. So it has 80, one sold for 85, another one for 64. They are $30, but only has two sold, and on top of that, they has 42. So in this case, I'm gonna look how much they're selling for on like a platform like Go. If they still is not frequent enough of a sale and it's not high enough of a sold price, then I'm gonna leave it behind. So we're gonna put that one to the side. Let's look up another one. This one has 22 listings. It's same thing, like around 80 bucks. Yeah, like around $80. This one was $36.99. So let's see how much it's selling for now. Because like I said, just because it's posting for that much doesn't mean it's selling for that much. So it looks around 60 to like maybe 70 bucks. Some for as high as 90 with free shipping. 15 have sold and there's 28 listings, so that's a little bit better. I'm gonna think about these though. I've never really sold tennis shoes before. Let me look it up on another platform. Now we're gonna go to Goat now. So let's switch over to Goat. Now we're on to Goat. These were a women's size 8. So let's go over to the 8. See if there's any sold on these. There is no sold on Goat. I mean, the comps weren't too bad, but then you have to pay shipping and everything, so I might just leave it behind. Maybe if I could try to find something flaw that they may give me a discount for, I'll take it. If maybe for like 25 bucks, I probably would have bought it. These, I'm still thinking about these. Let me look these up on Goat now. They were 10.5, no box, none have sold. So I think I don't think I'm gonna take any of these. Just because you don't really have to always take something if you don't really feel comfortable with it, and just because you find something doesn't mean you have to take it. We're gonna go to a few other stores, so let's see if we can find something there. But I mean, other than that, I mean, they're not bad finds. It's just I'd rather spend something else with my money, if that makes any sense. So now let's go to another store, see if we can find something else. What's up guys? So we just got in the car, we didn't find anything. I think we were gonna go to another store, so let's see if we can find something at the other store. What's up guys, we're at Ross number 2 now, and as always, let's see if we find anything inside, and let's go inside. So for now, I'm just glancing through the men's section, seeing what I could find, and I mean, so far, I mean, you can see there's nothing. Kind of interesting. What's up guys, so this is the first find I found right here. This is the Nike USA, the national team for soccer. It retails for $165, so this is like the high-end one, the ones they play in. They're selling it for 35 bucks, so the comps on eBay aren't as good as I expected, but I'm still gonna take it because I normally have a lot of luck on OfferUp. So I'm gonna try it. If it doesn't sell within 30 days, I am gonna return it. But this is a pretty cool find. And this is the next one. It's like some soccer training top. It's only 10 bucks, retails for 50. I always like to pick up the really cheap jerseys because they always sell well for me on local marketplaces. So I'm gonna pick this one up. And then this one so far, this is the find of the day. So if you guys know anything about reselling stuff and shoes and all that, you know that New Balance does do really well actually. And whenever you see a shoe and it has this made in the USA tag, just know most of the time it's going to be a very, very good find. So what I love about New Balance is that at Ross, they always price it for like 25 bucks or sometimes even lower. And this one's selling for like 100 and up online. So this one was a very, very good find. I asked them if they had more in the back, but they said they didn't. So, oh well, hopefully at another one, maybe we can find another one. But this one for sure is a very good find. Men's size 10 as well. Also, whenever you're buying shoes, also always remember to look at the condition of the shoe to make sure you get any type of extra discounts. What's up guys, so now we're in front of Burlington. Let's go inside and see what we can find. What's up guys, so I'm gonna show you guys what I ended up getting from Burlington. First up, we got these Crocs. They're called the Crocs Platform Bay or something like that. They ended up being $17, selling for around 70 on eBay. So I thought that was really good. I've started to really like picking up Crocs lately. I bought some for like $15 on sale and they sold really quick. So I got this Chivas jersey. It's a Mexican soccer team from Guadalajara. So I got 2 of those, 20 bucks each. Probably gonna sell it for like around 40. But yeah, I mean, good stuff. Decent finds. I'm gonna go to the Marshalls. That's gonna be the last stop for today. What's up guys, so this is the last store of the day. We're at the Marshalls. It was actually right across the street from the Burlington, and hopefully I can find more of those elite soccer cleats. So let's go inside. So I ended up getting things from Marshalls. As you can see, I am empty-handed, so we're gonna go back home now. I'm gonna show you guys what I did end up getting, and yeah, let's go home. Hey guys, so as you can see, I'm back home now, and I'm gonna be showing you guys what I did end up picking up. I didn't get too many stuff today because I didn't really find too many stuff, but I got this Nike USA, the men's national team soccer jersey. It's the 165 retail jersey. It's the first time I find this one actually, so it's pretty cool. I'm gonna be honest, the comps on eBay weren't too great, but they were selling for around 60 on eBay. I am gonna post an offer up for a little bit more for like 90, so hopefully it sells for that much. If it doesn't sell within the 30 days, I'm just gonna return it, but I bought it for 35 bucks. Next up, I got this Manchester United soccer jersey. It's like the warm-up jersey, and I bought it for $10, and it's the newest one from this season, so it's going for around 40 bucks, so that's what I'm gonna sell it for. And that one for sure, I'm keeping that one. And then next up, I got 2 of these jerseys, but they're the same size, so I didn't feel like bringing both. But it's 2 of them. This Chivas jersey, it's the Mexican soccer team from Guadalajara, and I got 2 of them. They were $20 each. And I'm from San Diego, and there's a lot of like Mexican people. I'm also Mexican, so a lot of people support Chivas, so I'll probably sell that one pretty fast. Next up, we got these Crocs right here. I've been picking up Crocs lately. I never used to pick up Crocs, even though I would see a lot of people resell them. They would sell really well, but they're normally a really cheap price point, and they sell really well. So this one was $17. It's like the platform edition for women, and pretty cool. Women's size 6, selling for around 70 to 80 bucks on eBay. So I'm gonna list it for like 70. Hopefully it sells for that much. And then the best one of the day, I showed you guys some in-store footage on this one, but these were the New Balance 990 V5s and the Made in the USA. It's like some yellow Volt colorway. This is really cool actually. Men's size 10. They're going for 120 on up. The last sold on eBay was 175 for this pair. So just know, for those of you who resell, whenever you see a New Balance pair that has this Made in the USA tag, most of the time it's gonna be a really really good find. It's gonna be a killer find. So it was only $25. I had already taken off the tag, but I'm gonna show you guys. Whoops, I'm gonna show you guys. But either way, I had to show you guys in-store footage anyways of this pair. But yeah, this is by far the best one of the day, and really excited to find this one because I've never found that specific model before. So yeah, that concludes the haul, guys. Hope you guys did enjoy today's video. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe as always, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later, guys.